Hi friends, this video shows how to change background process limit. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about. Under about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. Set it. These are list of developer options. Here go down and find app section. Here you can see app section. Here select background process limit. See here we can change process limit. By default this would be standard limit. So we can change this to 4 or at most 3 or 2. Okay, so this way we can change background process limit. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.